Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to send encrypted email in Gmail. Now the first thing you do is open up your Gmail app or go to the Gmail website and then make sure you're logged in or signed in. Next thing you do, over here you click on compose and then type the person you're sending the message to, the subject of the message, and then you put in the content. You want it through. At the bottom here you have some options. This is the one you need over here that looks like a key. To the conversation mode, click on it, and then recipients will have the option to forward, copy, print or download the email. So this, in other words, it's encrypted. So you also set expiration date. So you choose expiration date, try 1 day, 1 month, 5 years, 1 day, choose your expiration date. Then if you want to require passcode, you tap on SMS passcode before you can open it. The recipient can open it. If you do not want to passcode, you put no SMS passcode. So I want SMS and then you tap on save. It is as simple as that. So that's it. You can also edit it over here. So after doing that, then you tap on send. Now there's something important we must note about sending such. Yes, conditional mode provides a basic level of encryption, but it's not as robust as a full-fledged encryption method or as full-fledged encryption methods. So for highly sensitive information, consider using more advanced encryption tools or services. Always be cautious about sharing sensitive information through email, even with encryption. Beware of potential vulnerabilities and limitation of email encryption. So you've got that, you need to consider using other secure communication channels such as encrypted messaging apps for highly sensitive information. By following these steps and keeping in mind the limitations of Gmail's confidentiality mode, you can send more secure emails. And it is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.